Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and a company sent me a camera to try out for vlogging. So, I've kind of already looked at it, gone through it. Just get everything out. So, get this really nice little velvet bag to keep it safe and scratch free, and it's kind of a nice little vlogging camera. I think it's this one there. So it's like the old digitals we've had. So anyways, I will videotaping with my phone right now, and then we'll switch to this one. All right, so I will switch these out. Okay, so I've got it set up. Just wanted to show some of the extras that came. So you get a lens cap. I don't even know what that's for yet, but I have a USB cord too, extra battery, a strap, and cleaning cloth. So hopefully this is moving and it's filming. I think it is. Yep. So we'll see. It seems to have kind of a small area. I might have to increase the height of my camera mount so it can get a bigger area. So we'll work on that, and I'll put the link down below, and if there's a discount, that'll be down below also. So thanks for watching. Bye.